Hello everyone, this is Raji. In association with AKST, today let us learn about event-based trigger. The event-based Azure Data Factory trigger runs data pipelines in response to blob-related events, such as generating or deleting a blob file present in a Azure Blob Storage. Let us see this event-based trigger with an example. Here we have already created Azure Data Factory storage account and area data factory. So let us open this sample data factory. Click here, open Azure Data Factory Studio. Start authoring and monitoring tab. A new window will be opened. Click on author. Here already we have a pipelines. Select the pipelines. Now we are going to create event-based trigger. So now select here trigger option, click here and click on new or edit and choose the trigger, click here and select new. Here you can name the trigger as event based trigger. So here you have to select the type. We have to select, there are two types of event based triggers here, storage event and custom events. Select storage events. Select your Azure subscription here. From the Azure subscription, select the Azure subscription. So here you have to select the storage account name. So first let us open storage account. Go to containers. So select the storage account. Now we have to select the container name. So select the container name and we have to select the blob path begins with and ends with. So we have to select the path as we have to select, we can select it as input backward slash ends with dot txt. We have to type this in here dot txt. We can select the events blob created and blob deleted. Ignore empty blobs. Now you can select continue. So if you click continue, it searches for the blob matching sample one. If it is matched, it shows one blobs matched in sample one. Then you will have to select continue. Click OK. So our trigger is created, event based trigger. Now publish it. So it is running. So these event based triggers are not only compatible with blob but also with Ariel. Similar to schedule trigger, event triggers can also work on many to many relationships in which a single event trigger can run several pipelines and a single pipeline can be run by multiple event triggers. So publishing is completed. So thus we have created our new trigger. So this is about event based trigger. Thank you.